Hello everyone, I'm Giuseppe Mammano and today I'm gonna show you all my plein air equipment. What I have here is a bag my girlfriend bought me for my birthday, I think, or Christmas, I don't remember. And I fit here everything I need. So let's see what I got here. What I take with me is this tripod, very small tripod. I bought this one online, you can find them. It's very nice. It's very nice because their legs move, you can put it whatever you want. If you have some rock over there, very nice. You can use any kind of tripod. I will mount here on top of my homemade porchade box. I really like the bag because when I go out I can fit everything I need. My cameras, my paint, everything. Even some snack, drinks, everything. I want everything on one. So I got my tripod here and this is my porchade box made by me. And I attach underneath the quick release, what they call. So I will put it here, close it. Let's open up. I make this little compartment for my panel that I make myself. You can fit two panels. This one is like for 8 by 10 panel, and usually when I go plein air, that's the size that I use. Got a little drawer here, put my medium, my knife, my colors, my viewfinder, and I use this for a paper towel. Just go through here. You got your paper here, and usually I get my brushes in a separate thing on my bag. And here you can put some of your brushes. I usually don't use a lot of brushes, really, like 2-3 brushes. Nice setup for me. I make this by myself. Probably spend $20 totally. Well, I look online because you guys know there are a lot of nice portrait box that you can buy, but they are very expensive. And I just decided to make myself my own. Now when you're done painting, just get your painting here and make it down there. Your wet painting can go over there. You're not gonna get messed up. I get a lot of idea from other porchade box. You can clean the palette and put it back. It's perfect for me. Well, I didn't want to spend the $350. That's all the cost, and I just make one by myself. They have a lot of beautiful, awesome portrait box. You should check them out, but if you don't want to spend money, just look around, look some picture, and make your own. Alright guys, thank you for watching my short video. This is what I use for my plein air painting. I will see you soon. Remember to subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you. Bye. Some people ask me about my portrait box that they saw in one of my videos. I didn't buy it, I made it.